Hey guys, what's up? It's day 4 since I've installed the BLUSHIELD device, and I have some positive news. After about 2 days of a slight headache and just kind of like tired feeling, on day 4 I'm waking up feeling refreshed. I've been able to sleep through the night, 2 nights in a row, without getting up to go to the bathroom, which I'm going to tell you, just for me personally, I haven't been able to do that in a very long time. Before I was using the device, I always woke up to go to the bathroom. So my sleep has gotten better in these last 2 days since installing it. I don't feel the fatigue and headachy feeling. So the detox for me has lasted about 4 days, and it's slowly tapering off, okay? So I hope it helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, please tell me your detox symptoms and your feelings. What has been happening to you guys? Did it take you guys 4 days? I don't work for BLUSHIELD or anything. This is just a review, so it's just my personal experience. But subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how we feel. My boyfriend, actually, he had a headache yesterday, which was day 3, but the other days he didn't really feel anything. And today we both feel great.